hello, may kalab shout out everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. Shout out everyone. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Bagong taon na, hindi pa ako nag-monetize guys. By the way, thank you to all of you guys for supporting my small YouTube channel, and I hope everybody's doing well, and Merry Christmas to all and Happy New Year. To all my subscribers, supporters, and Sisi Koys, Merry Christmas to all. Mga Sisi Koy, Merry Christmas. Sisi Koy Lauren, Directo. Sisi Koy Nana, Hani YTC. Sisi Koy Agbiag-Blagat Konse. Sisi Koy Job Sinaway. Sisi Koy Welma Vlogs. Sisi Koy El De Los Santos. Sisi Koy Susana G. Sisi Koy Lia Vitatino. Sisi Koy Lia Di Santis. Shout out, thank you for supporting me, Sisi Koy. Nels TV, Merry Christmas. Mga dati kong kating Ading Coach Somling TV, Tola, Jower, Music Reels, Holy Marie, lahat ng mga ka-team, all team, shout out, Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat. El Sayote, Merry Christmas. Kabsat, Antonio, Dons Goring, sino po ba yun? Pare ko yung Mage Channel, sino po ba yun? Margaret Mittens Vlogs, Michael Kiambao, thank you. Asmar, Whispering Waves, Ding Simple Living, thank you. And to those always supporting my silent live for my WH, thank you everyone. Today is Christmas alone. Christmas 2026, still I'm single guys. And Merry Christmas sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Chard anak, Merry Christmas. Aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog. Sa lahat ng aking mga pamangkin, mga kapatid, mga kamag-anak, kaibigan at hindi kaibigan, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.